When you're gardening and want to take care of some business, you have the fan there for you. You're out by the barbecue and it's hot, you have a fan to cool you off. Cooking by a stove, have it on so this way you can keep yourself a little cool. This is known as the X50 by GVDV. It's a 3-in-1 power bank, fan, and light. 30 dB, very low in decibels. It oscillates 270 degrees. And it has a rotating switch that will give from low 60 hours of runtime. Depending on what you're using with the power bank, the light, and the fan, you'll get many hours of use. If you want to manually adjust the fan's location, you can do so. If you want to turn the light on, you press the button on top. That is low, medium, high, and off. You notice that there is a cover so it doesn't blind you, but the light will go around. And to turn the fan on, the switch here, you click it on, and then you start to adjust it to the low speed, all the way up to a high speed. It is very powerful. Press the button once, and it starts to oscillate. If you want to stop the oscillating, you can. And if you want to readjust it to the center, you can do so, and you can turn it off by the switch on top. The lights will slowly go off in a few seconds. And when you charge the unit for the first time, it's going to take a number of hours to charge. There are no hooks to hang. There is no tilting. It is made of ABS hard plastic. It's portable, lightweight, with the handle grip on top. To charge your phone, you just simply plug in the power source. You can see the lights already lit up. Plug in, and you got many hours of use. Remember to unplug when you are completed. The camping fan is lightweight, portable, put in a backpack. Anywhere that you are working, that you have a fan to cool you off, on a job site, by the car, in the backyard, on the roof, in the basement, or just putting it where you need to sleep when camping out. I hope this is a fan that you are looking for. 60 hours of runtime. I hope this is a fan you are looking for. Long battery life, 10,400 milliamp. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.